Today we're looking at Rich Santal by Emmir Factory Edition, a fragrance inspired by the iconic Santal 33 DNA. Rather than trying to recreate every detail, it captures the core identity, a creamy, dry, woody composition with a refined, minimalist character. From the very first spray, the sandalwood is unmistakably the focal point. It's smooth, creamy, and slightly milky rather than sharp or overly dry. Supporting it is a gentle cardamom accord that introduces a cool, aromatic spice without becoming loud. There's also a subtle green facet that keeps the opening feeling fresh and modern. As the fragrance develops over the next 20 to 30 minutes, the structure becomes more cohesive. Cedar wood begins to reinforce the sandalwood, creating a polished, almost architectural wood accord. A soft violet nuance emerges, bringing a delicate powdery texture that adds elegance instead of sweetness. Underneath it all is a refined leather impression, clean, supple, and unstained. It never dominates the composition, but it gives the fragrance a luxurious tactile quality. What I appreciate most is the balance. Nothing competes for attention. Every material seems to support the sandalwood rather than distract from it. The result is a fragrance that feels calm, sophisticated, and intentionally restrained. The dry down is where Rich Santal truly shines. The woods become smoother, the musk settles into the skin, and the fragrance develops a warm, creamy aura that feels incredibly natural. There's a faint smoky dryness from papyrus and cedar that prevents the composition from becoming overly soft or linear. In terms of performance, expect around 7 to 9 hours of longevity on skin, with moderate projection during the first couple of hours before it transitions into a refined skin scent. It's not designed to dominate a room. Instead, it creates an elegant personal scent bubble that invites people closer. This is a fragrance best suited to cooler weather, air-conditioned environments, offices, evening dinners, galleries, and situations where subtle sophistication is more important than loud projection. It pairs effortlessly with tailored clothing, knitwear, leather jackets, or a crisp white shirt. Overall, Rich Santal is an excellent interpretation of the Santal 33 style. It delivers creamy sandalwood, elegant woods, soft leather, delicate florals, and clean musk in a composition that feels mature and converged. If your taste leans toward understated luxury rather than attention-grabbing sweetness, this fragrance deserves a place in your collection. Rich Santal doesn't rely on volume to make an impression. It relies on quality, balance, and the quiet confidence of beautifully constructed woods.